people, the citizen, call me the prodigal son. Now, if you like, if you don't want to call him, leave him, but don't call me Buhari. All right, today happens to be a great day with a different because I am here with a fantastic man with a different.
Ladies and gentlemen, we at Gorilla Multimedia wish to interest you in our services, which includes movie production, from pre-production to post-production, MC for your events to create funniest times, red carpet services for your events, event coverage, and lots more. We also have a department called the G-Sign, where we print on shirts, caps, cups, wedding cards, flex, SAV, and lots more. For more info, contact us on 081-79-111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
Give it up and make some noise for Mr. Noxa Box. Oh, I'll be via your so, but I'm
loyal, sir.
No, boss, you be. No more, sir. Respect, box. So, but when I say Noxa, even me, my conscience they judge me. You don't understand because I don't supposed to address you as Noxa. We may not wear so well. You understand? But still, on the matter, I wear. You understand? So I walk one normal. So you happens to be here. So that's the main purpose why. That's the more reason why you need to introduce yourself, better. So Baba, before you go, Anyona ni mamu yevana na fancy. You don't understand? So I was doing man I'm here with do. So as a box, who you box can? Many ma we really do.
Matamo bane.
Well, Baba ya woman. Maybe no yeah, Baba ya woman. You understand? So well. I crack your crap. Papa what to bo we no bonu ya mudia.
The fancy me do we wan call.
Well. Here a platform we. Here a platform. But we ma have we be swimming one day pastor we here.
Antonia we pastor because he money boost one we pastor and very soon we go so about team because
okay if ani go ye
me sha
14 KT we but 2 na wa gbe kwa o
the pastor
we be pastor no betu
pastor power betu
man we will investigate her properly. So right now we toast to life, to success, and whether Buhari they come or they come back, we toast to his name because in man at this moment we talk there. So, box, Noxa, like I said,
yeah.
Okay, no, nini, okay, at least don't have TV. If the name not yours to say, may don't escalate to that point. Okay, no, we are mega dabo. Okay. Yeah. Okay, no, maybe na TM.
Yeah, do nous homo.
Okay.
Moi Noxa kai no robot.
No be
robots.
Okay.
Ni wa ya ka gon Noxa DSTV.
All right. So, talking about the DSTV, where they see well out there, because the last time I checked, DSTV happens to be a heavy emblem, to a particular company, which is a station. So, but when me they hear, nobody say I never hear say your name that they call you DSTV, but you only have one on any carters. So, but by DSTV, me not well because the last time I checked, man only DSTV, me very kind for by they do no. So maybe Noxa DSTV. Oh we go be Mori Bruce the company ni or you yanti we DSTV I made the be Mori Bruce on. Oh we go no nya the DSTV company ni be the station be how come Noxa DSTV? Be just an abbreviation of a name.
No do tell me no for one kakabo appreciate.
All right.
Yes. Mama agbona wo say kinori na
emudia. Yeah.
Maybe me or Noxa kai ati me na do one line.
Okay.
Ni we soon Noxa kai so knock I retire for Noxa.
Okay, Noxa.
Noxa bu. O me no na ga Noxa kai no be robot.
Oh, there.
You get worry ne ina do win na te mu DSTV.
Okay.
We that were ijobere tonpa e ko bera de ko bije loruda ira me ojegbe imewe e no pe.
Yeah.
Then if I win now. Me aya we say ni mo e wan do ya gbe me yesi
e do gbuwe yesi
aba we arigo me igo na de na we ki owo ni do ya we we ni zere we o mu na we mere do we nyo a wetin e ma me pele mo mo we
a de rudori hun e workmanship wa
de rude fun workmanship wa anya me rere do we e me dure inu sa e fo won na no inu sa oji no inu sa no ina wo ke o ma o ya zin gbagbon e re ni me we wu na na te musician ni na you were music you know.
Yeah, we are coming to that.
You understand me? Then you want DSTV na agbo na do me you know saka e ma ni pun we na we no sa DSTV e ba ni
Larry
no sa DSTV i re i ma ya ra de ma ya gbo ma de iwe sun music ni na make na we e nwunye DSTV ni pa meru o ye mi son agben ya bo me we no sa DSTV.
But at the way I'm sorry to use this word. I don't tabi so where me ga in where me ado ya I will ya in where ara ban wo bi I ban wa na pe. So are you systematically in winani way in winani ya? Okay, so that brought down to what I said before. Ban wo bi I ban wa na pe. So as I say you don't quit the work. So how come? Because here we can be benesi, we can be benemila. But when you're working now, we choose Gione as your career. At least you suppose allow that DSTV, you know. And when you born with wow, but all you know me we are more but you still keep the name. Is it that you have passion, you love the name with passion, or to wow we more where economy ma se agio ma se?
Iga wo deni la ya we mu na ni kakabo.
Okay.
Another near we may ya and one sota, the musician a yeah. When you your back and again, okay. Okay, but I hope you are not regretting the fact where we musician and you discard the work. No. Oh, you can't say dog pass now. I'm African, you will not hear a bio. Okay. You go where at a man, why am I going to instrument here? And we are going to I'm making out your cave while we gather a book or the second I had instrument. But by Bama doing where. Or say talk back. Yeah, wanna. Okay. I can hear the instruments. Okay. No one I say. Okay. Okay. They say locators. All right, people. Still with a friend, a colleague, or guy. When I mean a colleague, I don't say I be musician. Don't get me wrong. A colleague right from day one. This one a boss. When we say me and I don't do this. We don't see many things. We don't do many things together. Allah. We don't, you know, pardon they come. If God wants us to be the same, we will have to with me and for. You understand? So I was born on Friday. Probably you were born on Tuesday or Wednesday. So I boundary it up. But just a friend, box, chop no ko. I saw boy platform now. You know what? I'm where you man. All right, we go on a break. Don't go anywhere. Trust me when I said in 2 seconds I will be right back. So, Box, you've come to stay in the industry, I mean, you understand. Those are DSTV, Mama say, you understand. I believe where you've been in the game for long, but still, again, we gaming now is what I don't understand. Please, the music industry, when you dabble into the music industry, how many years in Wigby is the challenges I'm facing right now? I love that.
Okay.
And then now, when I came here after that, then I believe where year 2007 we made agreement. I can say 2007 as one little gadget. 27 agreement.
Who they take away here?
I reserved my brother. I read that.
Osabwa me where a musician so bad ya wa in keke ne ko aya la de se avela de
won say I remember kwa na enya we me so love for you.
Okay.
Music it made 3 years. And I only get 2 years to serve me, which is 5 years. We were in me. So this is 2012. That's when I'm cool.
Okay.
2012. I can still remember 2012 February 19, day to my birthday.
Okay.
That's when I'm cool. Now, 2013, now look back on la jan. Only Osagbuse see you. Okay. It's sober. 2014 now will not show out. From there, we want us one. 2015 now back on la jan. 2016 now we first live on stage. 2017, 2018, I born again.
Yeah, only 218 in my year. Okay.
You wait 2019, no way Sony, no Sony.
Boom. So, Baba, where are you? You have been who see you. You understand? So by now, I believe you should be able to figure out how many albums we never keep.
I take music in a row. I love that. Then. Even if I about Ikbenusesio, which is my first album. Okay. Who does it? You know, Feature Stalio, which is my second album. Okay. You know, Ataminoziba no Sobo, which is my third album. I have that. 2 other live on stage in me. In one boni me solar jam album. We will live on stage now. Kenny Bay, okay, 5 album. But I will play music in I do I win.
Yeah, now we have Facebook. Okay.
Smoke by one or women.
So that Noziba of his song, I believe it got everything to do with another feature Usano Maesewi and Benado. Abi, so I still remember that. So Box, but among all those your songs when you don't sing, you supposed to get favorite. Nuwe Moese, Nuya Guamaku.
In one of my boys, Nuya Guamaku no Wareki now.
Yeah.
You know a Facebook video when you know society. Basso, Agboyosa.
Yeah.
Okay. The way cook basso, oh, no miene, eliminu yata.
No, wala Agboyosa, basso, abien wabosa.
Okay. Basso, ni me Agboyosa basso a really large and to Salobwa.
Okay.
Then me was a video came here for I have a lot of viewers. Okay. On Facebook, on YouTube, understand? You know, no miene, eliminu yata. Osala wo na mi dobo. No miene gele minu yata. Roda we emi bunye wa mi wa gbon. Eyekwe.
Okay, so I will go on a break. Trust me when I say when we made mention of DSTV, a lot of people, the formation is still fogging the embrace. Who be this DSTV? Still on it, still with your boy, still with your own, still with us, still on the platform, and still with Noxa DSTV. Baba, now, Odinevenia, you told me that you don't systematically quit
from my work, my former work, which is
former work. Yeah. So is it because you see as if they do that work, they abuse your celebrity status?
Yes. Very, very.
You just see and say, man. The work, you want yourself.
They abuse my celebrity.
They abuse the work. Okay, I think I don't wanna.
I think when you vote, what we can vote, Okba must be for. When you go in your time, yours when you are doing any back help you. Case the number of Jikuru, the instrument hero. The number of Jiku, na make na back help or te ya was Okba. Near do I yeah. O button ya mo beni fo o ya me sin na ni ya ru da me boss ya 11 boss e me no yoro na ni ya ewu so mo gba ni ya ri ya kan ru da we ni ya dege ni ya kan wu ni me to bi me so an we music ni ke with satellite understand You can't do your bot and when you can't sing, you are mobile for.
Ladies and gentlemen, we at Gorilla Multimedia wish to interest you in our services, which includes movie production, from pre-production to post-production, MC for your events to create funniest times, red carpet services for your events, event coverage, and lots more. We also have a department called the G Sign, where we print on shirts, caps, cups, wedding cards, flex, SAV, and lots more. For more info, contact us on 081 79 111 024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
But with the way things are going, because the information not they fog our brains before now, see, like, Benin musicians, they not to they feature other artists apart from the live on stage when they introduce now. But you now, you don't feature many people.
Yes.
You they follow the lineage, you know, understand?
Yes.
Right, you understand?
Yes.
But I believe so you don't feature a lot of people, the one when you made mention of, you know, understand,
Yes.
before.
Yes.
But I believe so you go still get that person when you want to book up. So your next collabo, I wonder who that person will be.
Yes, by the grace of God, the one where they prepare now. Ni waka boni wa zedo da wuni zedo.
Yeah.
Ni kun wo bona no we lajan. Iya eva no ruda we tita we feature ema.
Yeah.
Eye kwe eye kale.
Yeah.
Ni me to bi me mo gbe mi awo no. Then me we o letting.
Okay.
Otin style dokpa yi. Ma wo pa now.
Okay.
No we lajan again me wa gbe yo sa de ba science ni ere no na we ere ni asuse iwe eni o lajan ere ni asuse de ba ere ni are no ja we gian ni anje.
No, you spoke about that before.
No,
your next collabo.
My next collabo, okay,
with Oletin.
With Oletin, yes,
Okay.
with Oletin.
So that's what we should be expecting
By the grace
after
of
that.
God. Yes, after that,
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, we at Gorilla Multimedia wish to interest you in our services, which includes movie production, from pre-production to post-production, MC for your events to create funniest times, red carpet services for your events, event coverage, and lots more. We also have a department called the G Sign, where we print on shirts, caps, cups, wedding cards, flex, SAV, and lots more. For more info, contact us on 081 79 111 024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
But considering the description whether they give to entertainment, you know, understand, and entertainment in general and entertainers from afar, where man see one is not the work not be responsible people to do the work, acting, singing, dancing. I mean, those set of people, they are not just you know, understand, responsible. When you see them, you know, they see sign of responsibility in them. So, boss, I wonder whether your parents support this work when they come in.
Very. We me wa ye ke egbo kan wa pa. E ke so si won na. Okay. E ke so asuogere, nga ya asuogere gbe na so ni we gba esu eyi, but o sege o sele bona woni su la gan. E so ya pa bon. Dem on the bon man responsible we e music ni awuna, awure me o jiyan kan. Me to bi me ìwọ́n náà ni mi wá so náà ẹjọ́ ìmọ̀ bá ní pé náà ìwé wọn ṣàjọ. Ìyá ẹ̀rẹ̀ ni wọ́n bẹ̀ yá ló tọ́ láwé bò ẹ́ tẹ́gbọ̀n ẹ̀ máa mi górí mẹ́. Ìyá tó bí yàn bí àdásí mẹ́wẹ́ òun máa ṣèkè náà rí ní ẹ̀múdá àzì gbàgbọ́n.
Before now, whenever you have your swim, now we go and see one more. Who let Dona Yarino Bolose? We product in Gualo, Ero, the product we have Munui, when they Naki album here. Then I have to drive down to Asaba. It took me 3 or 14 days. Kagania request Yokia, you have to deliver. Then I didn't give up. Who need the car? It did big for nothing. Who Gualo, where he lost El Gualo. Who know me? You are not a government official. Where you can work and lost. Then I have to work hard. Then I did loss in him. And I'm winning. Then after that, I tell you who go to Variama. In a bit, just 7 or 50 by 100. Who are money you on just 3 days ago. Who have been Brazilian? Then you 150,000. You to know you even a year. Imagine if 5,000 naira taken. 5,000 naira taken. We have the two. Why are we to know you? Look at what you are showing me.
But we can tell them you can't do that. What you can't do? Tell my man, from the beginning, where at my man, when it's in the wallow, what do you mean? When you say, told me you will take care of me. When I don't mean name and I know when it's the red one.
Oh, yes. You come my way, I'll take care of you. I'm not disputing that. But not to the extent of killing myself. You're not with me. Where did you go? Say now, me understand.
Okay, now you have a lipstick and I get lipstick in me.
Huh? A lipstick. Why I wouldn't?
A lipstick.
Lipstick quelqu'un.
I want to make mama say for the beginning where like we even me at the lipstick now. Mama can go.
You know what? I am done. Just go to her.
Where?
Why you saying? I said you should go to her. To your river.
Jesus is Lord.
Still on it. Now I can't fight me be no budo. I will call you Mary or Bo. Still with you know no sad DSTV. Brother, see you. I believe we're industry now. You know big bass and heck you know I'm a mentor. You know when I mean mentor, I mean your mentor. Person when you be saying you they admire when you want to sing like because me myself I don't check around. You may be better one. When you say you the reason you see and say me I want to be like this person here where I go my you but always or see one whenever it sound you the you know admire is a way of music. Okay, so okay.
Bon, ça va voir what I'm doing now.
All right.
What's on my you know.
All right.
Support ba o ani o yi nu tani iwe won.
Okay.
Me o na be adegi me.
Yeah. Na be age we.
Age me yi.
Okay.
Support ba in wa me ma kakabo ni pon me na ni we kakabo tin awe odeni eyi oduje gbe yi inu na wu owo ese e won me ra me Benado.
Okay.
O say no ma say we.
Okay.
Mongo Park.
Okay.
Yes, e wani ni me na ruda we ekeni meweje wo pa wodo eyin aveje. Enye mi sha ni kakabo we tin ruda we eyan emi ni awu. E te mi sha ni ke ma emi ni awu. Me kakabo we mi ruda we. Eyin ma oni aje mi yo ni seyan. Yo ni seyan. Yes, itiyan kakabo ruda we yan duje gbiyan be. Idalo ge duje gbe yo si wo wo so se ami e wo pon.
So meanwhile, if you are asked to, you know, right now to declare your mentor, what we have is which one among them you figure out say man, this one is my mentor?
Kira me no Benado. Uda onye me right for the beginning. One more. Okay. Unu kere ya tie we baba yinwani me ohowe. Yeah. Ya swe.
And you
ona lele boba ona lele mejo ona swe. Ona swe. You can't be live on stage. Now we have a one on a day, on a do tell me no heke, no more. Rayagogo. It's a Bekakabo.
Respect, bro. When I said Benado, I mean Benado. Wherever you're sitting, wherever you're standing, I believe you don't need any confirmation to know that no, sir. Alaji Odebai, DSTV, just give kudos to your name. I believe that's a great privilege for you to have a great son because I want more Agbesi. So, Baba still on it. I believe in Winana, it's not always a bed of rules. You understand?
That's true.
So, yeah, then, you know, presently, there is a lot of more than 1,001 astronomers in the game. No kwe bege we dey say ogwalo deko den o ya block no ya make you understand where this lineage in we lele dey na easy. You understand? So I wonder
which is the music industry.
The music industry DSTV ni afioni for anything. So I believe when you were coming in, as now you are still in, I believe having one or two challenges you pass through. You understand? The challenges you pass through, you gone through when you were coming in. So I believe because here why I'm so there are more than 1,001 people no challenges in it because the more you they give them, the more you do explain your feelings, your experience to them. In no way, you don't pass through. The more they boost their ego. If they are to accelerate or take a step forward, or if they are to backslide. So what are those challenges that you passed through when you were growing up?
Okay. Smoke ba emi gun ni Ni oya me ranu si wani we mataban no wani dollar la den we no mi ni minu ya.
Eminu ya ta.
Emi ya fe e ya ta la den ruda wa italo gbe adu talo mo ron.
Okay.
Supon pa emi no kakabo da mi wo mane opegun. Kate manizun no pa ne.
Yeah.
Okeke na we me gbo. Imege mani bun egi me we mi yan. O si eni na reti e baba bun yan de ya jogun mebe sunu wa me na. Wi mo pa kan so ye ti so fu. Sa lo ba no ri enwa ni meni ya propose e. Ni akwa ku gbo e ti be ri enwa ni meni ya so fu. Miemi ni kakabo wi won na. Yin se ata wi miemi ni do te no ri erin no ro ni do te no ri awo. Opa ya kin. Supon pa iri pon me no salobo.
All right, still on it, but back see box. We are doing some recycling here. Okay. Among all your songs, what you don't do. Suppose you know have a favorite.
Favorites.
The song you are no way we why you no way we can van ya wo can ma go e wo. Omo gba suppose you know mo gba no ya go ma as in when they said who ya go ma ge awe iya last. You understand? Among all your songs, among the 5 albums, no way drop.
Well, oten kakabo emi nu me wanasin.
Yeah.
Idi wan no you e.
Yeah.
Supon pa no, mami won ya fe ni so.
Yeah.
Na ri fuero.
Okay. But to suppose you we wa am pa because I me and Deva.
Emi adeva. Okpazewo.
Yeah.
Izewo kakabo. Ni kakabo izewo no yo ni no ri yo won ja o ya me si wani.
Yeah.
O ni na fi so era me ebenya do. Emi taruka no evon eguri fin agi ori.
No, it don't bother there.
Ije gberi ota ni ruda we aron abo wa gbon egi aje eyi me wo benado ni ra mi na we aron abo o
Egi aje. Aro ma bo wa gbonra mi.
egi no
I dey mad.
understand egi no kwa e kakabo no ruda we aron we me so we do na emi na mi ewo o kakabo we gbe pa wa me resu pon pa o mo we ni pa yo sagun na
Ba yo da ko na re.
e won ga ro ni me mi na ya ku we ni gbona beti daye we idere the light ne we
As soon as possible.
osa onye ti
Oh, ene, no na ne wo.
o which utu me no kwa emi la 2 year ugbe emi no ke we ipagbe wo we na ya play instrument na ya ku o instead na ha ku ona no instrument na load you around for the day akan gbe ona instrument pa ri ku
Bi ye wo we ki ma gun we.
me no me ri ku bi gbe
Okay.
ye be ri ku bi gbe
Okay.
ona load you around for na vi opa
Na do try have here.
opo ya se my brother ona ri gona ri no ka wo wa ike ye pa gbogbo
Lórí ẹnu ẹgbẹ̀rẹ̀ gbé.
gbọmọ tamale be ewa ya we dori go we o ike ye pa gbogbo emi re u iso na so na ri yan igo na ka ina do ti ra me feliz no bi àwọn so bo ni ra re no kwa baba de mo pa nje no wi do eti do mi emi yi dero ina do si ku be to tiri marriage na we na ya gbo ya career i do ga yen ya so na vi go to ina ite na we gbo meje inwa no late makada so na we gbo mo gi ndigwe na do tam ye we ime mi na ku o si e ifalo ba iwe we ana we so abie ni won be ire e wa ni e ina mi won ni we aro wa bo idaje o ye me kaka bodo di won ni we o keke da wo ko ina ire awu awesi.
But boss, still on that same circle, we ask you, Aaron Mabo, you matter no Yaye, the challenges in we face in the industry.
So bani who
Your banning, so my wali ni buni because you are why and then one in the characters and open why of me. So some of the challenges you've gone through when you were coming. Okay. Me believe you when you bunny yero because we can't tell so many people man me lege. Uma no bunny yota because ayan wa talo gbe.
You bunny yota gbe. O wa imo me gbe ni ya talo gbe do talo no keke no mate no ta. Ya do mi we omo ni no we mi ne. Omo ime ta ma go we yen ni wu yen. Ifia o ko we mind no so do talo to mo wo iro.
All right. Still with my people, still with no sad DSTV. Don't forget confidence Anya, the citizen. Call me the prodigal son if you like. If you don't like, calm down. So boss, I believe for this game, you don't understand. Away where there's no rules, there's no offense. So gradually, aware or the one. You understand? Or you look before. So, Papa, I believe where you see systematically you are accelerating. You don't take a step forward, whether the devil like it or not. Yes. So I believe where I take 100 artists, so I believe a time we always go to number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. You understand? So I believe there are still a lot of people. So I believe there are still a lot of people only here. So, Papa, I wonder what your advice. Because the industry, like I said before, is not always a bed of roses. You understand? So I wonder what it could be your advice for them.
Those ones.
Yeah, that is coming. You understand? Are you saying they should quit? When industry is in here, or to you, may they keep the flag flying. Where the sky is their limit. Where when the going is getting tough and the tough gets going. Okay. So what's your advice for them?
Kakabo, yeah.
When also
yes, any answer Lele boys of Gaku, because I want my cow, and you give up. And where we go somewhere, we don't go where you are, or a boy, anyone a pan one and a bomb. Ibude no where no we are here more who the money be a money that be wagona ni money kate money ya una miewe e music oruwa eke ga wo okon we ologo akedo miewe superstar kedo ati my superstar emi buna ni we wina so nu we e ke ajo me bo e who that we odawo agun mais to be make cat as now e DSTV we ba nya me na no do a sustain we ikedo me we e get do pin wo ka me je ko ya we clean imopoto we mi no bu kakabo da we ije won pa no me se de gbe buji me arigbo ni agbo tete go ye iyeke me iwu gere ga ni pa na rigbo ri ti edo ya gbo agbon we sin da wa ma sin anya no he said do iwu mu nya at DSTV ke wa pa na we mi iwe mi san na o ne wa me gbe me na do mi we oga mariere amajiku ami ra e o ya mi awe mu ni DSTV we to bu we no Una gege mi wa e mu na no wonu do wo wa gbon
pa perisi
ale fi o oja obun wo kakabo o da wa agun ri ero won abi jo won na ni magena e tebite o wa ari agbon ajiwa nu wa lawo wo ifani bi e kano de nu degegwe agboyo sare ni o sa no mare ni no pa titi o de na agboyo sawo sa no ma wa ko bere ya fe la kevi me na oloro gbe ima ye kian o ma ifo ruda wo sa more o ye kian le musique wa yi me no kan kere on la wo ko mo no yin egun ya ha we mi na te musique ne wale mi wewe ya back e up ize boye wa back e up ni Italy we owo e won pata mu menwa
o se kwe oyi
Audi